To turn on the engine, make sure the safety lock lever is in the up position. Put the revs onto full revs, and then you can turn the key to start it. Once the engine is started, you move the safety lock lever back into the down position, and now the machine is okay to operate. This lever controls the dozer blade. Pull it back and it lifts it. Push it forward and it lowers it. The right hand control, pull it back towards you and it pulls the main boom back towards you. Push it away from you and the main boom is pushed away from you. Sideways towards you curls the bucket towards you. Sideways away from you curls the bucket away from you. With the left hand control, push it forward and it moves the front boom away from you. Push it back towards you and it brings the front boom towards you. Side to side on this control is what turns the cab on its turntable. Towards you to the right turns the cab to the right. Away from you to the left turns the cab to the left. The right hand foot pedal controls your boom swing. Put your foot on it on the left hand side and the boom will move to the left. Put your foot on it on the right hand side and the boom will move to the right. To drive forwards, push both drive levers forwards. To drive backwards, pull both drive levers backwards. To turn to the left, push the right drive lever forward. To turn to the right, push the left drive lever forward. The direction of forward travel is always the direction of the dozer blade. To select high range, there is a button on the dozer blade control. Push this and the machine will move faster. However, you can damage the machine by trying to turn in high range or trying to go up steep hills. To expand or retract the tracks, firstly spin the cab of the machine so that the boom is facing in the opposite direction from the dozer blade. Then push forward on the dozer blade control. This pushes the dozer blade down into the ground, lifting that end of the tracks off the ground. Put the bucket down on the ground and using the right hand control, push diagonally away from you. This will lift the rest of the machine up off the ground. This lever selects between dozer blade control and track expansion. Lift it up to select track expansion. Forward on the dozer blade lever to expand the tracks. Pull back on the dozer blade lever to retract the tracks. Always remember to push down on the select lever to select dozer blade when you're finished expanding the tracks. Gently lower the machine back onto its tracks. Whenever you're finished with a machine, it's important for safety that you put the buckets and dozer blade down on the ground. Buckets down first, then put down your dozer blade, and now you may turn off the machine.